today I am going to do the practical of your computer book, that is mouse. Mouse का practical करेंगे, how we use the mouse. Okay, now I will show you the mouse and I will show you the screen also, how to drag, how to click and lot of. Okay, so let's come to the computer.
Go.
Okay, can you see this? What is this? This is a speaker. I am showing this speaker with my index finger. Okay, now if I want to show you speaker on the computer, I will use mouse like this. You can see here. See, these are the speakers. Can you see them? Okay, so now I will show you the mouse. This is my mouse. This is the mouse. Okay, this is the left button, this is right button, this is scroll wheel, and how I will hold the mouse, that I will show you. Okay, so this index finger I will keep here and my thumb will be here. Okay, my thumb will be here, my this finger will be here, the middle long finger will be here and the other fingers will be here. So like this I will hold the mouse, right? Then if I want to click any picture, like if this, okay, can you see this here? This is a pointer. Okay, this is a pointer which is in arrow shape. Okay, and now I will, when I will move my hand, I am moving my hand in circular form, so it is also moving in the circular form. Fine. Now I am going to click this picture. Click means when I will press my index finger here 2 times. I will do the double click. 1, 2. Okay. So now you can see the picture of tulips will be open. Okay, the picture has opened. Now we can see the picture whatever we have clicked. Now if I want to close this picture, then I will click here on the close button. This is the close button, जो cross लगा हुआ है, that is the close button. Okay, this is the restore button. Okay, and this is minimize. Minimize means हम उसको छोटा कर सकते हैं. But now I will close this picture like this. Single click with single click. Okay. Now if I want to drag this picture, okay, this is the picture of penguins, and if I have to drag this picture from here to here, then what I will do, I will click that picture with the single click. Okay, and I will hold that picture and I will move it like this, and here I will leave the mouse. Okay, I will leave the mouse, then the picture will move here from there. Okay, so this is the function of a mouse. Okay, so I will show you one more thing. Now I will show you how to use scroll wheel. Okay, this is the scroll wheel, and this scroll wheel also will be functioned by this index finger. Okay, ये scroll wheel है. ठीक है. Now you can see on the monitor, on the screen, this is a question paper which you have given earlier. Okay, ये question paper आप दे चुके हो पहले, एंड अब हमको नेक्स्ट पेज पे देखना है, या फिर इससे नीचे क्या लिखा हुआ है वो हमको पढ़ना है. तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल यूज स्क्रॉल व्हील एंड वी विल मूव डाउन साइड. ये ऐसे हम डाउन करेंगे इसको ऐसे, तो ये ऐसे डाउन जाता जाएगा. ठीक है, पेज डाउन होता जाएगा. अगेन यू कैन सी like this. I will run the scroll wheel, and simultaneously you can see here the paper is getting down. Okay, मतलब ये नीचे का हिस्सा हमको दिखता जा रहा है. If I want to see what is typed at the first page, so that time we will scroll this wheel like this, in this direction, then you can see the first page of that paper or whatever you have typed. Okay, so this is the practical. If you have computer at home or laptop, in laptop also you can attach mouse, but if you don't have, then you have to see how that where the mouse का जो वो एक फंक्शन होता है वो वहाँ पे उसमें लैपटॉप में होता है, that your parent will show you. Okay, but if you have system at home, then you can try this. Okay, so enough for this. And one more thing, ये you can see this mouse, this is the with wire. Okay, this is wire. Okay, wire of the mouse है ना. तो this is the with wire mouse, and some mouse comes wireless, जिसमें ये wire नहीं होती है. ठीक है, so this is not a wireless mouse, it's a with wire mouse. Okay, now I'm closing it again. You can see it here. See, I have to close this file, so I will go and click on this close button once. Now you can see that file has closed. Now again, if I have to drag this picture from here to here again, then again I will put a single click and hold this picture, and I will move my cursor and I will leave the cursor here. Okay, so in this way you can drag the pictures also. Fine. So enough for today, and you have done the book exercises, and I will meet you again. Bye.